Hey there, fashion enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the enchanting world of seasonal wardrobe transitions. With spring blossoming all around us, it's time to infuse our closets with the vibrant energy and fresh styles that define this beautiful season. Join me as we explore the art of seamlessly updating your wardrobe to capture the essence of spring. From embracing delicate florals to incorporating lightweight layers, I'll be your guide on this sartorial adventure, ensuring you stay effortlessly chic and in tune with the latest trends. Let's kick off our spring wardrobe update by immersing ourselves in the beauty of floral patterns. As nature bursts into full bloom, there's no better way to reflect its splendor than by incorporating florals into your outfits. Whether it's a flowing floral maxi dress, a dainty botanical blouse, or accessories adorned with flower motifs, infusing your look with these patterns will instantly uplift your spirits and evoke the rejuvenating vibes of spring. As the days grow warmer and the sun shines brighter, it's time to bid farewell to heavy layers and embrace the lightness of spring. Say hello to lightweight cardigans, breezy kimonos, and chic trench coats, your new best friends for the season. These versatile pieces not only add a stylish flair to your ensembles, but also provide the perfect balance of comfort and sophistication for those mild spring days and cool evenings. Now, let's talk color, specifically, the soft pastels and vibrant hues that define the springtime palette. Channeling the delicate beauty of blooming flowers and clear blue skies, incorporate shades like blush pink, baby blue, and mint green into your wardrobe. Whether it's a pastel-hued blouse, a flowy skirt, or accessories in subtle tones, these soft and soothing colors will infuse your outfits with a sense of freshness and femininity, perfectly capturing the essence of spring. No spring ensemble is complete without the perfect accessories to elevate your look. Add a touch of whimsy and personality with statement earrings adorned with floral motifs, woven straw bags reminiscent of picnics in the park, and oversized sunglasses to shield your eyes from the warm spring sun. These playful accents will not only add visual interest to your outfit, but also enhance its overall charm and allure, ensuring you stand out in style wherever you go. No spring wardrobe is complete without the quintessential denim pieces that effortlessly transition from season to season. Embrace the versatility of denim with a classic denim jacket, a pair of high-waisted jeans, or a denim skirt. The possibilities are endless. Mix and match these timeless staples with your favorite spring pieces for a look that exudes casual sophistication and laid-back charm. While spring brings warmer temperatures, it also ushers in the occasional rain shower. Stay prepared and stylish with chic outerwear options designed to shield you from the elements without compromising on style. Opt for a stylish trench coat, a lightweight rain jacket, or a practical yet fashionable umbrella to ensure you stay dry and fabulous no matter what the weather brings. As we celebrate the beauty of spring, let's also take a moment to honor our planet by embracing sustainable fashion choices. Consider investing in eco-friendly clothing brands that prioritize ethical manufacturing practices and use environmentally conscious materials. By making mindful choices in our fashion consumption, we can contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly future for generations to come. Finally, complete your spring wardrobe update with a selection of versatile footwear options that seamlessly transition from day to night. Whether it's a pair of stylish sneakers for weekend adventures, strappy sandals for picnics in the park, or classic ballet flats for everyday wear, having the right shoes can elevate any outfit and add a touch of personality to your look. Choose footwear that not only complements your style, but also offers comfort and practicality for all your spring activities. With these essential pieces and styling tips, you're ready to embark on your spring wardrobe transition journey with confidence and flair. Remember to embrace the spirit of renewal and rejuvenation that spring brings, both in your fashion choices and in your everyday life. Stay tuned to our channel for more fashion inspiration and insights, and until next time, may your spring be filled with style, joy, and endless possibilities.